Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. Honorable Mr. Muslikan, English lecturer of Physical Education, Health and Recreation Department, respectable all my friends whom below. On this beautiful occasion, we are from Tuban. My name is Azriel Rizky as moderator.
My name is Harding Hinduaji as presenter 1.
My name is Danu Rizky Iriansyah as presenter 2.
My name is Pandia Jonata, is presenter 3.
My name is Ahda Maulana Julfa as presenter 4.
We are going to present an article review entitled The Effect of Adapted Physical Education Session on the Empathy of Female Students with Overweight. For all presenter, time is yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Well, now I would like to explain you about the title. Authors, institution, publisher, volume, date of publication, the effect of adapted physical education sessions on the empathy of female students with overweight, which written by Mr. Aumaya Slimi, is from Hague Institute of Sport and Physical Education of CIFEC, University of CIFEC, Tunisia. Mr. Santo Marsigliante is from Department of Biological and Environmental Science and Technologies, University of Salento, Italy. Mr. Mourad Bahlou is from Hague Institute of Education and Continuing Training, Virtual University of Tunis, Tunisia. Hague Institute of Business Administration of CIFEC at University of CIFEC, Tunisia. Mr. Okbaselmi Nidal Jebabli and Antonella Muskela is from Hager Institute of Sport and Physical Education of Kiev, University of Jendouba, Kiev, Tunisia. This article is published by Frontiers Media SA. The article was published on volume 1431 August 20 and 23, 11 117046. The study entitled The Effect of Adapted Physical Education Sessions on the Empathy of Female Students with Overweight aims at research was to analyze the effect of adapted physical education, specifically adapted basketball sessions, on the empathic capacity of overweight adults. Well, that's short information, but the title, author's institution, published volume, date of publication of the article. The following information will be presented by presenter 2. For your time is yours.
Will happy brother and sister, are you still with me? Now I'm going to explain you about the purpose and methods of the study. This article aims to show that adapting physical education to student physical and psychosocial Needs can enhance empathy, capacity, promote social inclusion, and support emotional well-being among girls with overweight, thereby offering an effective and inclusive teaching strategy in school physical education. In this study, the research use method in the article is a quantitative experimental methods. Will that sort information about the purpose, methods, and technique of collecting and analyzing the data of the study. The next information will be presented by presenter 3. For you, time is your.
Well, happy brother and sister, I hope you are always fine. Now I'm going to explain you about the population sample and thank you of collection and analyzing the data. This study is population is adolescent girls with overweight or obesity who attend secondary school and sample is consists of 42 overweight adolescent girls grade 15 until 17 years who volunteered to participate and were randomly assigned into one experimental group 21 student adapted basketball session, 2 control group 21 traditional basketball sessions. All participants meet the World Health Organization criteria for overweight or obesity and were enrolled in public secondary school. The data collected and analyzed by using combination of anthropometric measurements, physical fitness tests, and empathy questionnaire to collect data from participants. Well, that short information about the sample population and technique of collection and analyzing the data of the study. The next information will presented by presenter 4. Time is yours.
Well, happy brother and sister, is everything okay? Now I'm going to explain you about the result and finding of the study. The result and finding of the study show that adapted physical education session, particularly adapted basketball activities, significantly improved empathic capacity in overweight adolescent girls, as indicated by an increase in empathy and emotional contagion and a decrease in emotional splitting in the experimental group. While no significant changes were observed in the control group that followed conventional basketball session. Well, that short information about the result and finding of the study. Now, I'm going to explain you about the conclusion of the study. This study concludes that the program created a more inclusive and supportive learning environment, enabling students to participate with greater confidence and social engagement. Overall, this finding suggests that adapted physical education can help overweight students integrate more successfully into physical education classes and should be considered a valuable strategy in school-based intervention. Well, that's short information about the conclusion of the study. That the presenter of the article review from presenter for moderator. Time is yours.
Well, thank you for all the presenter. That's your presentation today about the article review on the effect of adapted physical education session on the empathy of female student with overweight. Thanks you for thanks for your intention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.